Which way up have I put you? That way. All I can say about this is Bisto. Look at that. Gross. Gross, 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 gross. Haines manual says there's a total of 3 litres if I drain it, and then the whole system itself holds 6 litres, because apparently there'll be some left in the torque converter. So we'll have to wait and see. To be honest, it doesn't look too bad underneath here. Don't know if that's an MOT fail, but we'll have to sort something out about that. I presume it's come from this great big pile of shocking shite here. That don't look too good. May pop, may not pop. We'll have to see. Not very pleasant either way. Nice clean oil pan. Tell I've been underneath here before. Still haven't sorted anything out for the exhaust hangers over there. I don't know if you can see. Here, there we go. Look. Just a couple of metal clips. Need to sort something out for that. If anybody's got any suggestions.